Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're going to solve this one. Let's go. Okay, as this is Pinoy Heroclix, before we solve the cube, let's look at another cube, which is the Cosmic Cube. Okay, so this Cosmic Cube is from the Avengers, Black Panther, and Illuminati set. Okay, so this is an indestructible object that anyone can equip, and when unequipped, becomes dropped in the map. Okay, so we can see the effect of this cube, which is free. An opponent chooses speed, attack, defense, or damage, and you then choose a standard power that isn't on the chosen type. Until your next turn, as long as the Cosmic Cube is equipped, modify the combat values of that type chosen by your opponent +1, and this character can use the power you choose. At the end of your turn, roll a d6 if this character doesn't have the Cosmic keyword, and on a 1 to 2, unequip the Cosmic Cube. So better put this on a Cosmic character, okay, because it has a 33% chance of being dropped. And yeah, it's a pick a power to some extent, and it modifies the combat value for 30 points. Okay, so these are some of the other notes about the Cosmic Cube, and this one is pulled together with the Red Skull Chase, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, because Red Skull Chase from the set, you can see I have him here. Okay, he's wearing the golden armor, okay, with a big ass sword. You can see him holding a cube. Okay, so he begins with the Cosmic Cube equipped only if you pay 15 points, half the price. Okay, so that's it for the Heroclix highlight. Let's go to the Rubik's Cubes solve. Okay, so we have here Rubik's Cube, the standard 3x3x3 type. Okay, and one of the things I've learned, quote-unquote learned, because I've looked at a YouTube video, and from there learned the algorithm on how to solve this Rubik's Cube. Okay, so I'm not good at it. No way am I gonna beat the world record or even anybody's record for that one, but I just wanted to share with you the joy of solving a Rubik's Cube. Okay, so we start off with a color that we want to begin with. So we're gonna choose green, okay, because we are a Lasallian, and that's our favorite color, green. So the thing is, you have to put all the greens together and then consider as well what's on the side of the greens. Okay, so like this one, green and orange, I can put it here, but again, the orange needs to be along this line. So this means this square should be here. Okay, so we put that there. Okay, so you see there's an orange, orange, green, green. Okay, so this one is now white and green. This one is yellow and green. So we find all the green, we found a yellow and green, so we put it this one here. So we put it on the side, push this down, bring it back, and that's it. So yellow and green. This one is red, green and red. So we put the green here, we put the red there. So we put it on the side, put it down, bring it back up. Okay, so we have yellow, green, and red here. The green orange is here. Here, so it has to be from this, has to be here. So we put it on the side, put it down, bring it to that right place, and then put it back. Okay, the other greens are here. Supposed to be here. Green and red. So we put it down, and then there's the green there. So we roll it back to the front and up. Okay, so hopefully you can learn from this video or just watch the better YouTube video. Okay, but I'm just proud that I'm able to make this Okay, so green and white. So must be here. So put that wrong piece down and then rotate until you get the right piece, and then bring it back up. Okay, and then the last part is here. Should be green and yellow. So just align it. So you want the green and yellow here. Okay, so just imagine you want to place it here. So put it on the side, bring this down, and then put it to the right place and bring it back up. So we solved the first layer, green, and then correct alignment for the colors. Okay, so the next thing to do is to align the other middle parts. So automatically that will be correct. If you align one, then the rest will also be aligned. Okay, so the opposite of green here is blue. Okay, so what we do next is we look for the non-blues here. Okay, so like look for the cross because we want to solve first these items. So this one is already solved. That's good. This one not solved. This one not solved. This one not solved. Okay, so we look for the cross part which does not have the blue. So this one has a blue. This one has a blue. This one doesn't have a blue, so we can use this. So you align it to the color and then check what color is the one on top. So if it's yellow, it's on the left. So white is on the right, so it's on the left. So that means you put it on the side, okay, and then put it up. Okay, turn it here. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, again, put it on the side, and then you do they call it the four click variation. Up, okay, and then back there, down, okay, and then here, back, okay, then put it down and then return. We have to return the colors. Okay, so as I said, return the colors here. So there, how do we return it? Here, okay, here. So we return it now. Okay, so we solve it, the orange and the yellow. I don't know if you understood that. And again, we look for the one with no blue. This is blue, there's blue here, yellow and red. So yellow and red. Okay, so again, align the yellow and then the red is on the left side. So we put it on the right, up, put it back, down. And then we return the green here. So we just return the green, of course, together with the newly found red. And that's it. You have the almost second layer complete. Again, look for the blue, the non-blue. There's a blue here, there's a blue, there's a blue. This one does not have a blue. So put it on the side. It's white is on the left. Okay. So again, if it's on the left, put it on the right side for now. Set it aside. Okay. So if it's on the right, then you put it on the left. So just mirror the move. Okay. And then up, back, down, and then return the green. Returning it here. That would solve the second layer. Okay. So the next thing that we do is we solve the top layer. So you can see that when you do the top, there will be a pattern. Okay, so typically a dot, a line, or a T. Okay, so what you want to do is usually starts with a dot. Okay, and then you progress to an L shape and then a T, and then after that a cross. Okay, so what you do is since here we already have the line, meaning it's T, but if we rotate it, it's already a line. So we just make it as a line, horizontal line, and then do this pattern. So we rotate this part, the front, and then we do the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then we bring back we rotate it back. Okay, so you can see the second row is still fixed. and the top part is good. So it already is complete, but we don't mind the corners for now. The important thing is we have a cross. Okay, so the cross is the most important part here. So we align the cross. If we check the cross, yellow, this doesn't match, this doesn't match, this doesn't match. So find the most number of matches, I guess. So in this case, the most number would be the red, then the white, yellow, yes, yeah. So we have the red and the white matching. So since we have them matching, we take note of them. So one side, that's the correct side, should be on this side, okay, and then the other one on the right. So one on the top, one on the right. Okay, so when you have that, then you just need to solve the other two. Okay, so and then there's a pattern. So the pattern is, I think, move it here, move it to the left, then up, move it to the right, and then up, and then just do the same, but now down. Move it to the left, down, move it to the right, down. Okay, so you can see there's still a cross pattern and our two rows are still intact. Then just align again. So when you align, you can see it's still not working. Okay, so let's see. I see. So we're doing the wrong pattern. So the pattern is, again, so we align and it seems like the red and the white is the one that has a lot of matching. So again, we put top, left, right, top one color and right the other one. And what we do is we go up, rotate, down, rotate, and then up, rotate it twice back, and then down. Okay, so now when we align it, it becomes perfect. Yellow, orange, white, and red. Okay, so we've already solved this cross. So the next thing to solve is the corners. The corners, you have to check whether they are on the right position. What do I mean? So like this one, this corner should be orange, yellow, and blue. So this is wrong. This corner is also wrong. This corner is right because it's red. There's red, there's blue, and there's white. Even though it's jumbled, technically this one is on the right place. And this one is on the wrong place. Okay, so if you got one in the right place, then you make sure that you put that on the bottom right side. Okay, if not, then you can just do the pattern anywhere. Okay, so but we're lucky to have one. And then the pattern is, I think the pattern is just what we did earlier. So we move one, and then up, and then left, up, left, down, right, down. Okay, so you can see one was fixed, but the important things to know, to check, is whether they are on the right. This one is right, this one is right, this one is right. So red, blue, yellow, and then red, blue, white. So we all have everything correct. So we're now at the last part of solving the Rubik's Cube, and that is to flip it. Yes, again, flip it until you get the right color. Okay, and then what you do is you will solve it one corner at a time. Okay, so this one is already solved, so don't bother with that. So we have two corners that are unsolved, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna trust the 4-step. So 4-step pattern: up, left, down, right. Okay, until we fix it. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. So we're able to fix that color. Okay, but don't worry about this if it's mixed or not. Okay, so just after you solve the one corner, just rotate it and go to the next corner, and then do that pattern again. 1, 2, down, right. Up, left, down, Right, and that's it. We have our Rubik's Cube solved. So it took me 12 minutes to do that. So probably I have to practice a little bit more. What do you guys think? Are you a Rubik's Cube solver? This is really a good skill to have, traveling or just idling your time. Bye bye!